presenter. I have a computer and I'm gonna try to get the presenter to work on it, and we'll see. I haven't even looked at it yet, so let's see how it works and see if we can figure it out together. So let's open it up here and let's see what it comes with. Oop. So that's it, nothing else in the box. It comes with a little charger, and it looks like it's the USB, micro USB to USB, and some directions here. Let's see if there's anything magical. It's written kind of small, but it's got some instructions and tells you how it works there and there. So let's see what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like, nice and small, super convenient. It's got the buttons, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. So it's got the little clip, so I could clip it on my shirt right there or whatever. And the buttons on off. Cool. Let's see if we can connect it to the computer. I'm guessing it's going to go to Bluetooth. Let's see, Bluetooth. How do you do that? Settings? System preferences, maybe? Bluetooth. Okay, let's see if it finds this. So I'm turning it on. And we'll see if it connects. It's thinking. Let's see what it says. Guess we're gonna have to figure it out here. Oh, it does a laser too. Ooh, laser. I don't know if you can see the laser. Can you see it back there? That's pretty cool. Let's see. It says it works with the Mac OS, so that's good. Oh, it looks like it has a USB receiver. Ah, that's the USB receiver, so I'm gonna have to plug that thing into my laptop. And I have a MacBook Pro, the new one, so I have to have this little adapter that makes it USB-C. Someday people will come out with USB-C items, but here, let's see what we get now. So, now it says it comes up with it. So, okay, so I just plugged it in, and you can see here, it comes up with the keyboard setup assistant. So let's do continue, and identifying your keyboard. Press the key immediately to the right. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's weird, the mouse moves. It's got like a moving trackpad, you see? I can move the mouse. Your keyboard cannot be identified. Oh, it knows by this. Oh, how cool. Check that out. So this is controlling the mouse. So I can just go right there, and which button do I push, you think? This one here is the click. See? There. And I can just hit whatever. I just close it. And there, now I have a remote mouse. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm totally controlling it with this thing in the air. Really cool. And then the buttons, I just push that button right there. See what the up button does. Up, it scrolls up and scrolls down. So cool. This thing is the best. And then volume up and down. Oh man, this thing does everything. Okay, so let's check this out. So I'm gonna explain it all to you. So let's see. So we got the buttons here. So I'm not sure. Oh, this button was the one for the laser. And then this one here, scroll up, scroll down. That's the left mouse button. And then this one, I haven't figured out what this one does yet. It makes a boop sound. So I don't know exactly what that one is. So you got the on off here, the little charger, and then here we've got the volume controls. So that is super cool. And this thing here is just there. So I could probably connect it up to anything that I want that's got USB on it and have it be a total controller. How sweet is that? Total thumbs up. I love this thing. So this is the presenter here. And so I'm gonna use this thing anytime I give a presentation. So it's the wireless presenter and super easy to hook up. I mean, I didn't really even have to do anything. I thought I was gonna have to connect it through Bluetooth or something, but now, no, just plug it in through the USB port and it automatically is recognized, at least on my MacBook Pro. So thumbs up, super thumbs up. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and pick up one of these things as soon as you can, because this is super easy and small and inexpensive. It's great. Love it. thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.